you often find yourself staring at an abandoned to-do list by Friday that you created with such hope on Monday? You're not alone. As academics, we're trained in complex research methodologies, yet many of us struggle with organizing simple daily tasks. I've seen this countless of times with brilliant PhD students during supervision meetings. Here's the thing. The problem isn't the to-do list themselves. It's how we approach them. Research dating back to the 1920s shows that externalizing our cognitive load by writing down tasks significantly enhances our ability to focus on deep work. This is what psychologists call the Zeigarnik effect, which suggests writing down tasks eases mental strain by eliminating the brain's preoccupation with unfinished work. So don't give up on lists just yet. In my next videos, I'll share evidence-based strategies to transform your to-do list from sources of anxiety to powerful productivity tools, which is tailored for our academic work. What's your biggest frustration in terms of to-do lists? I'd love to hear your thoughts.